Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this cool portable solar generator. So let's get unboxing. To quickly cover a couple features, make sure you check out your manual and the listing for more details, but it's got a lithium battery, it's AC output, DC output, 2 USB outputs, 2 PD outputs, LED 3 modes. You have solar panel charging support, home and outdoor backup power, smart and safe, high capacity, and power bank. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. So on the top here, you have your light button. And as you guys can see, it's got a massive light on here. On the side, you have your AC output. So you got your AC output there. On the other side, you have just your fan vent. You have, that's pretty it. It's pretty simple, but I like simplicity. As you guys can see, it's fairly small. You got your DC 12 volt plug. You got your USB plugs. You got DC in. You got USB Type C ports. And you have your power button here. So if you just press the power button, it's going to light up and it's going to show you the battery percentage. If you then press and hold the power button, it will turn it off. Now, if you press the power button again and then press it again, now you can use the DC out and the USB out output and also the Type C. For the AC, if you want to use this, the standard plug, you press and, you press and hold the AC output, and now you can use this as a side. So let's go ahead and test this out. They give you your in-home charger. They don't give you a solar panel, so keep that in mind. They give you a cigarette 12 volt charger, and also they give you a strap and an adapter for plugging something in that is a 12 volt. So what you would do is you would go ahead and plug this in here, and now anything that's a 12 volt you could then run off of this power bank. Or to charge the power bank, you would then plug this where it says DC 12 volt. You plug that in there as well. For powering, you plug this into the DC in, and then you plug this in, and we're gonna go ahead and do that just to test out the function of it. All right, so the fan kicks on, and okay, so the fan's off now, and we see that it's blinking the percentage. That means it's charging. So yeah, we can see that it is charging. So let's see if we turn it off. So we have it turned off, and now we're gonna plug it in just to see. Okay, so when you plug it in, it doesn't show anything. You have to tap the battery and then it shows. So you might have to have the power on by pressing the power button for it to charge. We'll have to see and play with it for a little bit. Let's go ahead and plug in our cell phone and see how well that's gonna charge. So here we go. Plug in our cell phone and let's see if it's charging. Okay, press the power button again. There we go. Now it's charging. So it is working by charging the power bank and also our phone at the same time. Sometimes certain power banks, you can't have it charging the power bank and other devices at the same time, but this one you can. So that is a plus. Yeah, so our phone is charging. So that works perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and test out the AC function. All right, guys, so we have our plug. We plug it in here, and now what you do is you press and hold the AC button. Okay, so you need to unplug the charging cable to use the AC button. So once you unplug that, press and hold the AC button, and now we can use the AC. Now, so it lit up, so we see that it's working. Now we're gonna go ahead and just plug in our phone. I'm gonna go over a couple specs for you guys. Yes, it's charging completely fine now. So our phone is charging, so the AC outlet works good. Let's see here. Let's press and hold the light. Woo! So that's a pretty bright light. Couple modes here. Press and hold it. So you have two modes here. You have flashing and then just regular. Overall, it's nice. I like it, guys. Nice and compact. So let's actually go over some specs for you guys, for the people that love the actual details of it. All right, so the battery capacity is 26,400 mAh, which is 98Wh. AC output 110 volts. Okay, so here you go. So it's rated at 120 watts, so you can run 120 watts total from this at one time, and it can peak to 240 watts. So keep that in mind. The USB quick charge 3.0, 18 watts. PD is 18 watts. LED lights 5 watts. Solar charging, it can do 18 volt through 24 volts. Cycle time is 800 charging cycles, and it says there is a warranty 12 months from the date of purchase, so they do give you a warranty. And make sure you check out the manual for more information. But I liked it, guys. This is a nice unit for being portable. So we're gonna put this in our camping bag. So take it with us where we want to go. Now, you keep in mind, it doesn't auto go off. You need to press and hold the AC button. There's a little green light that comes on the buttons. So make sure that goes out. And then you want to press and hold the power button and turn it off completely. So that way, you know, you don't use power when you're not even using it. Overall, guys, I do like it. It's nice. Nice and compact. Good for, you know, it's not, you know, one of those big power banks, but it's good for camping, you know, going off grid, having fun, for charging smaller devices and different things like that.